I got these cool little hanging vases for Christmas. I actually have 3 of them, but I only have 2 hands, so I'm holding 2 of them. And they're gonna go on this back wall for you lovely people to look at. Not where those magnets are. I decided I don't like them spaced out that far. And I need ideas for a 3rd plant to go into it, because right now I have the spider plant. This is gonna go in one. I have this, which the name of it has escaped me at the moment. It's gonna go in another. And then I need a 3rd one. But I don't know what to do with it. I don't know what to put in it. I want to put a betta fish in one, but he says that I'm the devil for wanting to put a betta fish in such a small thing, but betta fish don't really need a lot of room. And I thought it would be cool to put a betta fish in it, but apparently I'm a terrible person. Let me know in the comments below. Get it, watch me put it up. Okay. I'm gonna need help though, so help. Come. Hold. Should I get measuring tape out to make sure that they're all like evenly spaced? Okay, hold.
I can't.
Use your nose like you did earlier.
You know where it's at?
Your nose?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right there. Okay, I'm gonna leave him holding that while I go find a measuring tape. I lost my hammer. There it is. Okay, we can't find the hammer, so we're using this really big Allen wrench. But first I wanna, there's that line, and there's that dot. Okay. So the way you hang these is it's got these little hook things. And you just hammer that end and it drills spikes into the wall. Which I'm kind of scared to do. There. Oh, that's gonna take a long time. My 3rd dot is, I believe, right here. Problem is do you know how to get these off? Okay. If anybody knows how to get these type of things out of the wall, if we when we move or whatever, let us know. Says Finny. Okay, this one is a fresh clipping off my sister's plant, so it'll grow. This one is a clipping off of my plant that I have at my desk at work, and it's been growing in this water for a hot minute. So it's gonna take some stuffing of the roots. So I'm gonna do this one over there. See, wouldn't this be pretty with a little betta in it? It will be. It would be. It definitely would be. Alrighty. So I have my wall plants. I just need to figure out what to go in this buddy. Unless y'all can convince him for a betta, then this plant will become this plant over here, and then this will be a betta, which is what I actually want. Actually, what I think would be cool is to put a betta in with a plant. That's called hydroponics, that the fish helps aerate the roots in the plant, and it actually helps the plant grow better. And the plant itself actually is good for the fish as well, but somebody isn't okay with that. So yeah, leave a comment below on what I should do for this one. Y'all have a great night.